In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a document button to your Wix website so that visitors can easily access the files you want to share. Whether you're sharing a PDF, a presentation, or any other type of document, this simple process will enhance your site's functionality and provide your users with valuable resources at their fingertips. To begin, you'll want to open the Wix editor for your site. This is your main hub for all things related to designing and updating your website. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel. This panel is an essential toolbox packed with everything you need to create a dynamic and engaging site. Here, you'll find the Add Elements option, which is where most of your customization actions will start. Once you click on Add Elements, you'll see a menu of different options you can incorporate into your site's design. For our task today, we need to add a button. So, select Button from this menu. Now, here comes a decision point. You have the option to choose between a standard button or a document button. Depending on the aesthetic and functionality you desire, either option will work. However, the document button is tailored specifically for file downloads, making it a seamless choice for this task. After deciding, drag and drop your selected button onto the page where it fits best within your design. This might be the home page, a dedicated resource page, or wherever it makes the most sense contextually for your visitors. Positioning is crucial. Make sure it's visible and accessible, but doesn't overpower the rest of your content. With the button now placed on your page, click on the button itself. This action will prompt a toolbar to appear with various settings. Among these options, you'll find the link icon, or perhaps a button labeled Change File. This is where you start connecting your button to a document. The next step is to choose Document from the menu that appears. You will have two options here. You can either upload a new file directly from your computer or select one that's already stored in your Wix media library. If you have the document ready on your computer, click Upload New File. If it's in your Wix library, simply choose it from there. With your document selected, the button needs to be finalized by clicking either Choose File or Add to Page. This step confirms that your button now links directly to the corresponding document you want to provide access to. Lastly, once the document linking is completed, click Done to close the link settings and solidify your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully added a document download button to your Wix site, ready to enhance the user experience by offering instant access to the information your audience might need. Keep experimenting and optimizing your site to ensure it meets both your goals and your visitors' needs.